What are you doing in here, buddy? This is his first time out in the rest of the house. So he's doing a little bit of exploration. What do you think? You like your new home? Clover, give everyone a house tour. Clover, nope. Don't mess with the plants. Clover, are you going to show them the kitchen? You got a little eye stuff. Want me to get that out? I'll take care of that later. Hopefully Clover does not take interest in this plant. It would make her sick. It's my roommate's plant. All these plants are my roommate's. There's only one plant in the house that's mine, and it's not poisonous for Clover. I think this is a success. She wouldn't come out of my room. Like, I've had her in my room I adopted her 4 days ago. And even once I opened the door to my room after her getting used to my room for a couple days, she just would not come out here, no matter how long the door was left open. But I guess she worked up the confidence. She hasn't explored like the upstairs area that much. She's really focusing down here. Oh, I think she got her eye booger out. Did you, Clover? Oh, it's on your nose now. I really don't want to be showing this part of the house. This is not very clean. She's hiding behind the laundry machine now. You up to no good back there? Yeah. Clover, let me get that eye booger for you. Clover. Do you just eat that? Got dust on your face. You're just a mess. You're embarrassing yourself. You got dust in your face. Clover. Okay, I think we got it. I'm thinking about getting a bird feeder so she can look at birds from this window. Clover, nope. I have a spray bottle coming in today so that I can discipline her a little bit if she messes with the plants. I'd rather not, be spraying my cat with water, but it seems like the least aggressive form of discipline that will actually work. And hopefully I rarely have to do it. I think eventually I can just pick up the spray bottle and she'll stop. And I won't have to actually spray her. Because she's so cute. Who would want to spray this thing? Okay, we've moved on to the dining area. I am very excited to move her food bowls and stuff into this area so that it's not in my room. No, Clover, show them the kitchen. Let's check out the kitchen. Come on. Oh, this was the wrong day to be showing people my house. It's not clean. It's usually cleaner than this. Clover, check out the kitchen. Yes, go in there. No. Clover, you want to see this stuff in here. This is where your food's going to go. Come on. Clover. I'll have to check this video to make sure there's no addresses that people can see. Oh. Oh God, that's scary for me. This is a big drop. See that? I feel like that would not be good. Clover, nope. Don't mess with that plant. I feel like this video is going to be nausea-inducing. What do you think, Clover? Clover? No. Marcos will not be happy if I let Clover mess with his plants. Clover probably won't be happy too. They're not good for her. Okay, we have moved on to the kitchen tour now, as any good host would save for last. You can see all the dishes that I've been procrastinating on doing because I'm a bad roommate. Coffee stuff. The oven for that's where Clover goes when she's in trouble. Just kidding. Okay, I'd say I'm gonna end this video here. I think Clover has shown y'all all the other parts of the house. So, Clover, no! Clover, no! Oh my gosh, is she gonna do it? Wow, that was a big jump. Okay, we're ending the stream with a stunt. Bye everyone.